Hi all, welcome to this course on production planning and control. Next we'll be moving to the second numerical on simple average. So the question is, a XYZ television supplier found a demand of 200 sets in July, 225 sets in August and 245 sets in September. Find the demand forecast for the month of October using simple average method. So what we have to do, we have to simply find out what would be the sales forecast for the month of October based upon the data which is available from July, August and September, or based upon the last 3 months. We have to find out what is the demand forecast for the present month of October or upcoming month of October. So the solution is, we are having 3 months data, so that's why we are adding them. 200 plus 225 plus 245 divided by 3, which gives us 223.33, which is, when it is rounded off, we are getting the value as 224 units. So for October, the demand is coming to be 224 units. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.